Feeling burdened by debt? You're not alone. In today's video, we'll explore effective strategies to make money and break free from financial stress. Before we dive into solutions, let's understand what debt is and how it can impact your life. Debt can lead to stress, anxiety, and even legal problems. A budget is essential for managing your finances. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Focus on eliminating your debt as quickly as possible. Consider debt consolidation or creating a debt repayment plan. Explore ways to increase your income, such as taking on a side hustle, negotiating a raise, or finding a higher-paying job. Don't be afraid to negotiate with your creditors. They may be willing to lower your interest rates or extend your payment terms. If you're overwhelmed by debt, consider seeking professional help from a financial advisor or credit counselor. An emergency fund can help you avoid going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Overcoming debt requires discipline, determination, and a willingness to make sacrifices. By following these strategies and seeking professional help when needed, you can break free from financial stress and achieve a brighter future. Subscribe now for more financial tips and advice.